Hello you guys, welcome back to another episode of Master Meals. My name's Jose, your Mojave Master, and today I'm gonna be cooking fajitas. All right, you guys, my grill has been going on. It's nice and hot. First thing you wanna do whenever you cook is season your grill. You're gonna get a little bit of oil, spread it around. And now this tabletop is ready for our meat. I like to use flat meat. Just get your pieces. Put them like that on the grill. Always remember to take off your gloves when touching raw meat. All right, you guys, so I use a simple marinade for this. I use onions, cilantro, garlic, orange juice, lime juice, seasoning salt, and my favorite ingredient, I use some beer. Let that rest overnight. Ready for today. Grill's nice and hot, so this shouldn't take too long. Now that our steak is cooked on one side, I can get the veggies going. As always, start off by seasoning your grill, placing the veggies down. As you can see, I'm only one person, but our 40-inch tabletop has a large cooking area, perfect for you to include your friends, family on the other side. All right, guys, so the neat thing about this grill is its different cooking zones. Our meat is just about done. So as you can see, I have everything towards the back. That's not gonna cook, that's meant for holding. The closer you are to the center, the hotter the grill is going to be. So the reason I chose this recipe for you guys today is because it's an easy thing to do at home. Prep time, you're looking at no more than 10-15 minutes. Everything just goes in the container, mix it well. Chopping up these veggies should take no more than 10 minutes depending on your knife skills. Cook time overall, no more than 10 minutes. All right, guys, so as you can see, I got a nice transparency on my onions, letting me know that it is done. Our meat is done, so let's walk over to the other side and let's get to plating. All right, you guys, the perfect complement to any fajita dish, some rice, some beans. So we're gonna grab our veggies, put it on our plate. All right, you guys, so I'm gonna go ahead and start cutting my meat. I'm gonna cut it at an angle just to give it a nice presentation. Just be careful to cut the meat and the meat only and not anything else. All right, guys, so the last thing I wanna end off is with some homemade salsa right over the top. All right, you guys, we just finished assembling our fajitas. The next thing to do is take a bite and enjoy. That does it for this episode of Master Meals. Be sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and comment down below what recipe you want to see next. That does it for this episode of Master Meals. We'll see you on the next one.